Let's double check the Ethena targets updates with my custom indicator set. Guys, I got two charts, and first one, it's initiation accumulation pump model. We invalidate this idea and with this week sweep the liquidity. And in my last idea I shared with you, so this is a yearly open, will be like a magnet for the upside move from current prices after deviation or from lower prices. It's hard to say. So let's be real, guys, because under the week of October 10, it's just absolutely open zone for price discovery. So there is no support, nothing. So under the 13 cents, it's just open space. If we double check the fundraising rounds, if there is an option to see the 4 cents private sale, private token sale round was in zone 25. Here, zone 24. There is no data, about the entry of that seed round, undisclosed round, extended seed round, disclosed round, launch pool. It was for free, and it's kind of interesting because we can't know where the market makers and the venture funds will dump the price. Bullish case scenario, guys, if everything will be okay, at least we can wait this sweep of September 25 high and a test of this daily line chart trend line. So this is a daily trend line down, right? So in many cases, we anyway return back to the yearly open. It's a yearly open. So 2025, 91 cents, 34, and retest. Maybe we'll go higher to the new all-time high. Maybe not. What is bad? Guys, it's a big difference between between the market capitalization and FDV. So 1.6 billion market cap, 3.12 FDV, and just only 50% tokens in circular supply unlocked. That's why, guys, the best case, if we will see this direction. The worst case, if we will see the crash down and just venture funds out of this token and never come back again with investment. About their decision, we can't know. So we work only with the current price section. Based on price section, of course, every single drop, we return back to almost even over than 50%. It's really, really important to hold the line here. Another chart, what I would like to show you, it's a Binance chart. If we count another FIP, from this top to the bottom, rejection at 86.78 level by FIP, rejection 2 times at 0.5. Now we come back again to zero level. If we not, guys, hold the line here, the bad case scenario, we can drop way under this level. Believe it or not, but we can drop and add even the 1-0 for ENA. No makes sense for this drop now, but it's possible to see like this price action. Impulse, correction. Impulse can be correction and another impulse down. So like 1, 2, 3. So like 3 drives pattern, but inverse. I hope it will never happen, maybe in the future, maybe in the next bear market, but not now, because we are in a downtrend since April 2024, and for other altcoins, we are in a downtrend since April 2021. So I don't see any reason why the market makers should dump the price even lower now. Because anyway, we hunt liquidity from the both side, like a bullish and the bearish. So liquidity, for example, a lot of liquidity here over this cluster. So if we come back to the BitGets, let's. This is, by the way, the STX chart. Before I would like to show you the BitGets. That's a problem when we trade on a different listings, and on STX, the model is still not invalidated. So 1941, 1477, it's still like accumulation block. We retest this block here, and we come back again. And invalidation on HTX, it's a dump under 6 cents. So just in case, I remind you, the Starknet I have already here. So ENA can be also Dimension already here. I guess the Wormhole and many other tokens which listed on a Binance and many other exchanges. The positive case, guys, if we will see the amazing rally, for me personally, the main take is $1.70 for ENA. It can be the top of the top. For now, it's like impulse. And until we trade inside this accumulation zone, it's just a basic accumulation zone. ENS, for example, Ethereum name series, trade since 2021 in the same range. So the problem, it's whales don't care about the time. So they just can speculate, trade, treat the people with the marketing, with some promises, and we just can stock in tokens for long run in a spot. That's why I'm now skip the spot position and I'm only trade. So let's focus now on the HTX chart weekly with indicator set. Technically, this is was accumulation pump. This is accumulation consolidation pump. So for example, from the lowest entry here, it was like 36 cents. We pump it to 85. Once again, I repeat, withdraw initial deposit, it's not a mistake. So it will never mistake. Here, the choose somewhere for the low 41, now it's 20. So we formed a huge divergence based on ADZ and a weekly time frame. Direction, no accumulation signals now yet. Daily, some accumulation. And yes, I totally agree, guys. If you open the chart of BTC, now the market's so boring. Technically here, since December 17, some accumulation based on direction indicator. ADZ also in divergence. Even here, this drop in October, it was like 22 cents, and we dump it here to 19.15. So even here we formed divergence. So for me personally, a lot of bullish signals, but you know, something should be like a driver for the crypto space, because the M2 liquidity and not an option. Santa Rally not an option. Some updates about ETFs, altcoins not an option. You remember that news about in the next upcoming 90 days? You know, it was at the beginning of autumn. We will see the many over than hundreds potential ETFs approved for the altcoins. Nothing happened. So a lot of rumors, a lot of shit posting, a lot of trash talk around the crypto space. So just ignore and trade the charts. Technically, market mood, now we're in capitalization zone. Last time capitalization zone was in summer, it's on 85. From 22, we bounced it to 85. So this cycle, guys, reduce your expectation. So this is a fact. First time we see the money inflow was in November, and now nothing. Let's add alerts to the money inflow on weekly time frame. We will see. Daily, no money inflow. So we can close. The last two indicators, guys, it's trade on. Like conclusion, guys, of course, the targets I showed you, the global one, everything is relevant. It's just a matter of time when, but you have to be ready always for both case scenarios. Have to be ready. You just need to reduce the risk and the size of position. So this is an option. We can't know the future. Will we drop to 6 cents? We can't know. But we can work with own risk management and the money management. So this is what we can control. And if, for example, we drop to 6 cents, I will do this. If we pump to $1.70, I will do this. So you have to build a plan. Yes, it's kind of boring content like not to the moon, by the deep, and all of this stupid stuff. But it is what it is, guys. It's how we can control our emotion and work with our own deposit capital. So this was buy signal September, sell, buy back, now nothing. Let's add alerts for, let's say, triangle up for ENA. Here was a take profit from the sale of summer. Buy. Speculation on the daily recommendation, close position, no new signal to buy. Let's add alerts also to buy on a daily. And the last most important indicator, guys, is take profit. It will show us the value and the price. So weekly, we underrate it. Because the last line, it's a fundamental value of the token. Now it's 25 cents. The lines are dynamic, but anyway, believe it or not, one day we will retest it below, and one day we will retest the take profit line, like 67 cents at current moment. So you can add just alerts and track it. Daily, we are also underrated. For the MEV value of this ENA, now it's on a daily 1672. And 12 time frame, what we can retest, it's buy line on 12 time frame 1642. Let's add alert the buy line on 12 time frame. Yes, a lot of alerts, but it's much simpler, to track it with alerts. Guys, all targets locally I showed you, and globally also. If you like to trade with my customer, because I will show on this video, write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.